Hi, I'm Dr. Ernest Carter, and I wanted to tell you, as we start the screening and testing here in Prince George's County, there are some criteria we absolutely have to follow. This particular facility is not for everyone. So I just wanted to emphasize that. We are really concentrating on the guidelines that the CDC and the state has given us to make sure that the most vulnerable people don't end up in the hospital. It's very important that we get the people who absolutely need to test first. People who have physicians can go to their physicians, they can get a prescription, the physician can send them to a laboratory where they can get a test. We have a lot of folks in our county who don't have physicians, who need to test. And we're going to screen those folks, find out who they are, get them into our facility, and test them. Even more important than that, though, is that it helps us to screen and test those folks who don't have a doctor, who are symptomatic and at risk. Because people who are symptomatic and at risk, who don't have a doctor, are extremely vulnerable. And we are setting this up to help them. I want to make this exquisitely clear. We can only test based on the guidelines from the CDC and the Maryland State Health Department. And those guidelines are hospitalized patients who should be tested by the most expeditious means available, symptomatic emergency medical service personnel, healthcare workers and law enforcement personnel, symptomatic patients in nursing homes, long-term care facilities, or in conjugate living facilities, symptomatic high-risk unstable patients whose care would be altered by a diagnosis of COVID-19. Prince Georgians, we're going to get through this together. We're going to do all of the things that are necessary for us to get through this, because I know you guys are strong. We're going to make sure that we do the social distancing. We're going to make sure that we do the hand washing and clean our surfaces. And at the end of the day, we're going to emerge stronger and better, because we are stronger and better. Thank you.